be free as long as you get 500 pesos worth of Shakey's products in any of their restaurants. Usually here in the Makati, Manila area, meron ka ng libreng general admission ticket. And the more you buy, the more products you buy from Shakey's, the more general admission tickets you can get. You can actually watch from ringside. Konting dagdag na lang. Ringside tickets na lang. So that is the latest promo from Shakey's. Of course, the partner of the Shakey's D-League since 2003. And Michelle Carolino has been here since 2003. Dakis kept alive momentarily. Here's Gallego with the sky ball. Salak on the attack. Oh, Giselle C sends it back. C, quick set. Eulalio again.
It has been the quickers of FEU doing damage in this set.
And Giselle C just goes to it. At alam na nga na depensa na parating yung quick. Wala pa rin sila magawa doon. Tied at 16. Hard to believe that FEU only has one win with this lineup. Talagang training session lang or talagang learning experience ito para sa kanila sa Open Conference. Nunag. Here's Nunag. Dakis turn back again. Dakis with a chance ball. See, quick set. Palma again. Another quick attack from FEU.
This is what Coach Ness wants to see. Yan yung mga push na yan na smart play ni Palma. Diba? Yan yung learnings na, ayan, napapractice nila inside the game. So I'm pretty sure he's just happy to see how the progression of Palma.
Well, here's Salak now. And again, Palma beats Bunag to the spot. And now a 2-point lead for FEU here in set number 1.
She really makes her presence felt on the net.
Alam mo, grabe potential nitong batang to talaga. Yes. FEU has gotten a gold mine in Remy Palma. Running attack. See, again out of position there. Salak this time goes to the open for Dakis. That's a better result.
I was going to say it was a perfect set for Rachel Ann, and she responds with that point.
Kita naman natin dito. How many times have we seen Dakis take off from the left side and produce this? 1-point lead for FEU. Dakis serving for the Army. Sangmuang. See? Angge. Into the net again for the second time. So, parang may kulang sa hang time ni si Angge dito, ha?
Yung height, I think it's more of kung saan niya pinapalo yung bola. Medyo mababa na when she hits the ball. So, it's not her usual spike.
And I think FEU will now, from now on, start to go exclusively to the middle attack. Kasi mga open nila, hindi nakaka-produce. Gallego had a hard time fielding that one, and Ivy can't get there.
Well, I was going to say, before they could do that, kailangan maganda yung first ball.
Right. And Gallego's actually also proven to be a pretty good libero for FEU. Charlene Gallego.
Well, FEU 10 attack points, Philippine Army with 6.
If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Remote control is not working today for Dakis. And we are tied at 19.
Talk about reception. FEU having 4 excellent receptions against their 17 attempts. So 23%. Ito namang Army with 29%.
That's another bad reception there for Army. Another quick and another point for FEU.
So it has been the middle attackers of FEU giving them points.
So Tabaquero now trying to protect this 1-point lead as she continues to serve. Here's Carolino off the block. Ivy is there. C, too near the net. Let's see what happens as Sangmuang pushes it across. Dakis for Michelle Carolino. Gallego. C. Goes to Sangmuang again off the block. Nunag with the dig. Salak. Oh, again Salak and Bunag not on the same page. That is the third time they have not connected with each other. And Rico de Guzman does not like what he sees. Timeout Army. Well, ladies and gentlemen, FEU Makati is offering the following degree programs: accountancy, accounting technology, information technology, and business administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. And speaking of FEU, they have this 2-point lead.
Yup, in the first set, this game, and a chance to take it.
Michelle Carolino. Oh, Giselle C attacking. Here's Michelle Carolino. Palakas ang palo ni Carolino. Sang Muang turns back by Bunag.
You know, they kind of knew it was already going to Batchery. Sang Muang, as you take a look at this attack, wala na yung middle hitter. Palma was way behind. So, basang-basa ng blockers kung saan pupunta yung bola.
Mabasa isang kalamangan dito ng FEU. Salak. Giselle C did well to get to that one, and Sang Muang rewards her.
Kailangan pala off-speed lang. Masyadong malakas.
Pero
Placement shot.
ang ganda nung habol ni Giselle C dun.
True.
22-20 in the twilight of set number 1, FEU. The team with only one win, leading the defending champions, and that one drops in.
Tinignan na lang ni Nunag, but it looked like it was going to go out, but it was a floater for Giselle C.
And a timeout again for the Philippine Army.
Kailangan natin ng depensa. Alam mo ba? Ngayon pa lang, practice natin yan. Hindi mapabayaan niya yung depensa mo. Tara, toka-toka muna tayo. Depensa. Let's go.
Well, I don't know. The defending champions look to be in shambles here.
You know, this will be a test of character for this squad. Kung paano nila lalagpasan itong dilemma na ito. 23 for FEU and the Philippine Army with 20, or ito namang FEU.
Right, and look at the front line of FEU. Ivy Remulla, Sang Muang Batchery, and Remy Palma.
Looking out to close this one.
Right. Here's Michelle Carolino, wants to do some closing of her own. Cuts the lead down to 2.
Well, so far, Dak is with 2 attack points, and the Philippine Army with 7 total.
Yonko back in front. Joanne Bunag. Gillego. C. For Batchery. Great dig by Gillego. Ivy sets up Batchery once again. Set point FEU.
And Batchery going for a power tip.
So Batchery Sang Muang gives FEU triple set point. Now on the serve of Remy Palma. Carolino. Lunag. Yonko gets to it. Here's C. Another quick attack. This time read by the Philippine Army. Here's Michelle Carolino. Dug up by Giselle C. Ivy Remulla. Too near the net. Easily deflected in by Yonko.
That's right. It was a free gift already. Yonko going for a swipe. Gets it.
And now Michelle Carolino, a former league MVP.
Remember, she had an error on the serve a while ago.
No such thing this time. Gillego. See, another quick set for Eulalio. Ivy now on a setup for Sang Muang. Nice block there. Coming from Mayat Carolino. Ivy gets it across. Here's Dakis. Gillego. C. Sang Muang. Great dig by Lunag. Dakis. Dig there by Gillego. Here's Sang Muang. Gillego keeps it alive. C. Ivy off speed. Nice dig there by Mayet. And that one goes out. Tina Sala could not get it done there, Mosi.
She had the right thing in mind though, but it went wide for Tina Sala because she was running when she got to the ball.
Look at this. The defending champion drops the first set to FEU as you take a look at our shaky shake in play.
Ivy Remulla mixing things up.
Right.
After nung madaming attacks, went for that drop. Ito ang resulta.
Well, FEU takes set number 1.